Алло, всем привет! Сегодня 27 мая, это у Джозефа племянник Джефф, он приехал с Невады, и будем чистить вентиляцию. У него это бизнес. How much you charge?
$5.99 to $6.99 for regular cleaning.
599, 699 для зачистку. Я сейчас камеру поверну, just a second, I'm gonna zoom my camera.
This is where the mice and bugs from your crawl space in your attic get into the air ducts. Okay. These gaps. See all the stuff that's down in there? So we're gonna reseal all these off so you don't have any air gaps in these guys and clean everything.
Okay. Они будут чистить, вот все вот эти щелочки заделывать. Okay.
Perfect. So reverse, let's count all the guys. One, let's move these chairs out of the way.
У него помощник Светлана. Виктория поехала на работу. Okay. Вот, короче, вентиляцию чистить будут. Вот у него бизнес. Сейчас. Он с Невады на своем траке пригнал. Вот, если кто интересуется, номер телефона, веб-сайт. Если кому-то это надо, интересно, кто живет рядом. Что они, какие услуги предоставляют? Air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, painting, floor care, pressure washing. Он много предоставляет услуг. Короче, работает сам на себя. Это его трак. Невадовские номера. Карсон-Сити он живет. Я не знаю, правда, что там снимать, как снимать. Потому что тем более он будет говорить на английском, кому-то это интересно, а я переводить не смогу это все. Там специфическое все. Так, мои блестяшки.
Electric static filter. So you flip this guy open, and up there, and there's going to be a filter inside this that we're going to clean too. Okay. Okay. We just got to figure out where the hard line is so we can unplug the furnace. What I want you to do is go into the thermostat in the house and turn the thermostat on. You want to open it with these guys who are a little bit older. So you're on cool right now. Their system's on cool. We're just going to go right here to off. Okay? If they wanted heat, it'd go all the way up. But we want it off right now. We don't want the system running, so we're going to turn it off. Okay? Close your thing.
Это наш термостат. Регулирует температуру в доме. Джефф говорит, ты хочешь посмотреть, какая у вас грязь там? Furnace. Как furnace по-русски? Я говорю, да, хочу посмотреть.
Now that we got the furnace opened, this is hard switched. So in order for the furnace to be turned off, is this black switch. When that cover is on it, it holds this down, turning the furnace on. You hear it? And then as soon as this lifts up, the furnace is off. Okay. We have the inside of the thermostat off. Now if you look inside here, all the dirt and build up. See that? This is what shoots through the air ducts into your air that you breathe into your home.
Вот этим всем дышим.
This is where the allergies and the sickness and the airborne illness viruses and all that come from. It sucks into here, into this filter up here, into the return up into the ceiling. So we're going to clean everything here first and then go inside.
Okay, hold on. Tell us about your tattoos. Расскажи нам про свои татушки.
My son.
Это у него сын, имя сына, Джерен.
That's the Illuminati eye.
Какой-то иллюминический глаз.
These are $100 bill roses.
О, розы 100-долларовые.
An angel.
Ангел.
And then Niners.
San Francisco fan. All right.
And this is
What's
Virgo. For the Virgo.
Oh, you believe in horoscope?
Yeah, that's.
Он верит в гороскопы.
Virgo right here. Virgo angel.
Oh my gosh.
And Leo.
Oh, Лев.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then we got.
Okay. All right. Striptease. Oh, wow. Обалдеть. Герб. Yeah. Thank you, Jeffrey.
You're welcome.
Yay. You're gonna be a YouTube star.
Yes, let's go.
Он мою машину выгоняет, чтобы там места больше было. Сейчас хочу показать, что тут у него находится. Это у нас как машина на работе. Такие машины используют. Это что? Это мужчинам все будет интересно. Я это ничего не знаю. Короче, это его рабочее место. Сказала, да, сам на себя работает. Пылесосы вон большие, огромные. Все у него есть. Лестница. Даже освежитель воздуха есть. All the tools.
This is called a HEPA contact cleaning machine. It connects to this big hose right here.
Ага, подсоединяется вот это.
That has this brush that's going to go down into the air ducts and clean everything and suck it into this HEPA vacuum here. This machine right here is the machine that holds the fogging or the sanitizer that we're going to spray inside the air ducts, so you're breathing in clean, healthy air and you're not breathing in any type of airborne illness, viruses, any mold, bacteria, anything that could be living inside there. This is going to kill it and sanitize it and odorize the system.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool, thank you. О, пыль, пыль. Маски надо одевать. Вот этим всем мы дышим. Tomorrow.
Oh no.
Yes. So,
On a Sunday?
I know I have to work on Sunday. So. And just move stuff around. Джеффри вам снимает видео, вот все, что находится в вентиляции. Слышно меня? Какая пыль там. Окей, идет машина.
I should have brought my carpet cleaning stuff too.
You should have.
Yeah, I could have done your carpets.
Yeah. Так, сейчас будет очень громко и пыльно дома. Да, Света. Угу. Все перекрыли. Окей. О, вот сколько там грязи было. Ага. Yes, please. Окей, сейчас вам покажу, как стало. Было до и как стало после. Before and after.
This is...
Сейчас еще вот этот этим пылесосом.
Hook up that end right there. Yep.
О, нашлись. Так, теперь там чистят.
This is called just the pre-vacuum.
Pre-vacuum.
We're going to pre-vac it before we put that inside it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay, you can start.
So some of the benefits for getting the air ducts cleaned are if you have allergies, you saw how dirty that return up there was with all the dust and everything, the dander built up in there. That's what you breathe in. So getting it cleaned helps you prevent from allergies or allergens in the air of your home. When you turn on your AC or your furnace, you're not going to be breathing that stuff in. You're going to be breathing clean, healthy air. It also helps with the longevity of your system. If you have an older furnace, like you guys have an older furnace out there, getting it cleaned will help that furnace lifespan a lot longer, so you don't have to replace that furnace, which can cost thousands and thousands of dollars. So getting it clean, maintaining it, that's going to make your bill in your house go a lot lower, because your house is going to warm up or cool down a lot quicker than it normally would being cleaned, and after we reseal all those gaps, the air gaps inside the air ducts that you saw. So then your system, when we turn your AC on after we're done, it'll read that it's, you know, your house is set at 77 degrees right now inside the house. So when I turn the AC on at like 66 degrees, your temperature is going to reach that destination a lot quicker, turning your AC off, making your bill not keep running. Make sense?
Yeah, it
so
does.
That's
it
what's
does.
going to happen after we
Okay.
get the cleaning. So it helps in all those different types of ways.
Okay. And do you charge per house, or how do you charge other people?
Charge per system, how
Per
big
system?
the system is.
Oh,
so
okay.
basically, for instance, this is called a standard single system, one furnace, one return, with 9 floor air duct registers. For normal cleaning with just that, the furnace, the return, and 9 floor ducts is usually $5.99. Starts off at $5.99. Then we have what's called our upsell for your resealing of the air ducts. Not everybody needs a reseal of their air ducts. So if you need a reseal of your air ducts, it's usually $25 per register that we reseal. But like for you guys, family, we dropped it down $5 off that to $20 each register. We reseal each those. And then if they want it fogged, the fogging is another
What is
additional
fog?
charge usually. The fogging's the system I told you we're going to come and spray the chemical inside the air ducts. That's going to kill the mold and the bacteria and the airborne illness viruses. It's going to sanitize and odorize the system. So when you turn it on, you're going to be breathing in something that smells really nice.
Okay.
You're not going to be breathing in any type of dust or anything in the system. It's going to be a nice cleanse smell.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yep.
All
And
right.
so all that gets put into the bill,
Okay.
basically, and then that's how it works. And you can choose to have it fogged or not. You can choose to have your air ducts resealed or not, or you can just have them completely just vacuumed and that's it. It's just up to the customer, but usually it just goes from however they want.
How long you been in this business?
I've been doing the business on my own for almost 4 years now, but I've been in the trade of doing this for about 12.
4 года он работает. How old are you?
34.
34 года ему.
34. Yeah, I'll be 35 in September.
All right,
Yeah.
35.
Yeah, and we do other stuff too besides this. We're going to clean the dryer vent too, which is one of the leading causes for a house fire. When your dryer vent gets too full of the lint, that is very flammable. It also makes your dryer work a lot harder. And if you notice, you put clothes in the dryer and they're not drying, and you have to do a bunch of different cycles to get the clothes dry. It's normally because your dryer vent line is clogged. So that comes free of charge with the full service air duct cleaning that we're doing.
I see. I remember we were at your graduation.
Do what?
High school. We were at your high school graduation.
yes.
And you were 35, almost 35. I can't believe it.
Getting old.
Yes, yes.
I'm only in town for the weekend though, ladies.
Okay, yes, yes. Он говорит, я только здесь нахожусь до выходные.
Yeah.
Обалдеть. Куда время пролетело? Мы у него были на выпускном. Ему было 17 лет, уже 35 будет. Обалдеть.
And this putty adheses itself to those air ducts, so you don't have any air gaps in those air ducts. Mice and bugs from the crawl space cannot chew through this stuff at all. It's very, very thick and hard, and they cannot chew through it, nor will they want to. So it eliminates anything from the crawl space in your attic space, or if you had ceiling registers in your attic, from getting into your air ducts. So now that's what we're going to go do and put around all the air ducts on the floor right now.
Специальная лента, очень сильная, бла-бла-бла. Ну, вы поняли, короче, что он там говорит.
You can see right here.
Ага.
You can show them all that. See that there?
Ага.
Yeah, all that.
I see. Okay.
Yep, all that there. So we're gonna measure it, and how it gets sealed We're gonna come down here. I'm gonna pick up your carpet, and I'm gonna run this alongside, just like this. Just like that, and it's gonna fold right over it.
Okay. Looks like it's gonna rain or something.
Right?
It's very windy.
And we're gonna do that all the
All
way
over.
around.
Okay, cool. It's gonna be sparkly clean. Перерыв. Сейчас Джеффри будет пить у нас пиво. Bud Light Chelada. А я делаю суп. Варю.
After a hard day's work.
Right? You deserve it. You deserve it. Ему не понравилось это.
Yeah, God.
No, not good.
It's like having your first time over.
Okay.
It tastes like I just drank like a something sour and hot, all chilies and
Out
God.
of your throat.
Okay.
No bueno.
Joseph likes it.
Really?
Yeah?
Oh, tell him no bueno.
No bueno.
No.
No good. Jeffrey disapprove.
The aftertaste is just.
Теперь на улице и они еще
Yeah.
делают, чистят.
One of the fat blades is connected to body here.
Just hold it. Yeah, don't try to pull it up anymore.
Yeah, no, it's just like it's slipping.
Okay.
5 or 6 times their own body weight. So if you give them an apple, 3 or 4 of them can carry it. It's really funny.
Сколько муравьев оказывается здесь у нас. Так, все, я больше снимать не буду. Мне надо ехать. О, освещение такое. Мне надо ехать в Walmart. Была сегодня утром в магазине. Не купила сливки. Мне для супа надо сливки. И буду делать десерт. Там тоже сливки надо. Так что все. На этом видео заканчивается. Всем отличного дня. Пока-пока.